And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make cabbage and egg patties. Simple, delicious, packed with flavor, crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and made with ingredients that you probably have at home. And the ingredients for this recipe are cabbage, carrots, eggs, onion, flour, sweet paprika, Italian seasoning, garlic, salt, pepper, vegetable oil, and slice it. And chop it until you get small pieces. Time to wash this cabbage. I'm gonna add the cabbage into the pan. I put a little bit of water in there, enough to cover the cabbage. And I'm gonna cook this cabbage until it softens and wilts down. Next, crack the eggs. And the eggs help bind all the ingredients together. Add sweet paprika. Add salt, black pepper, and mix it up. Chop the onions into small pieces. I'm crying again. It's part of the process. Grate the carrots and they add a touch of sweetness and a beautiful color. Chop the garlic into small pieces. The cabbage is already cooked, so now I'm gonna go and drain it, and I'm gonna make sure all the water is out of the cabbage. Just make sure the water is all out. Add the vegetable oil to the pan. The onions go in. Okay, at this point, I'm gonna add the garlic. Mix it in. I grated carrots. While the carrots and the garlic and onion are cooking, I'm gonna take my eggs that I mixed before, and I'm just gonna pour it onto the cabbage. I'm adding the flour, and this will help give the fritters structure. I take a spoonful of the mixture and I add it to the pan just like this. You'll know they're ready to flip when the edges start running golden and the fritters begin to hold their shape. I'm gonna start taking out the patties. And these patties are looking amazing. They're golden on the outside, full of flavor, and the perfect way to turn simple ingredients into something so delicious. I'm ready to try this. So good. It's so crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. And if you enjoy watching this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and see you on the next episode.